How to make money online working from home. Work from home jobs can become legitimate ways to make money online. Finding the right business opportunity that fits you is going to be your most difficult task. This is because there are so many work from home scams that make such outlandish claims such as, push the button and money will fill your bank account. You have to avoid these scams because the internet is filled with these false, how to make money online claims. This is what you have to keep in mind. To have a legitimate work from home job, you must stay focused on the task of building your business from a proven blueprint. This is the keys you want to look for. *, does this internet business have support to assist me if I have problems understanding how to set my business up? *, is the blueprint newbie friendly? *, has this business model been around for a legitimate length of time? *, does it have a forum to discuss how well the other members are faring with their own business? These are some really great points you need to keep in mind because as a newbie you are going to run into a lot of technical issues you have never seen before. Learning how to make money online is not easy. It takes time and a lot of commitment. You have to stay focused and concentrating on your goals at hand. What ends most people from succeeding online is overcoming the shiny objects that show up in their inbox every day. Working from home is the best job you will ever have because it frees you up so you can have quality time with your family and friends. You must always understand that your business is your responsibility to maintain and keep up. You take care of it and it will continue to make money online for years to come. Your internet business will allow you to increase your income by allowing you to build multiple streams of online opportunities. You can begin to build your list to thousands of subscribers. Then you can set up your autoresponder so it can send out pre-written emails on autopilot while you and your family is vacationing in another country. This is the opportunity that a legitimate work from home business is able to provide for you. Make money online while you are enjoying life with your family. An internet business is by far the very best way to make money online while working from home. The suggestions I have in this video will help you build a legitimate work from home business that will make money online for you for a long time. If you would like to check out an internet business, please check the link below in description to know the best method. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.